Sam here. Blue Collar Zen. Today we're going to be installing this cool light bulb that I saw on another YouTube video. I thought it was pretty cool. It had like this angel eye effect. The dude that installed it had a blue angel eye, but you know what? I'm like, you know what? I don't feel like having a blue angel eye. I feel like having a red one. Because of course they don't make orange for this. Oh, I'm smashing on here. 2009 Yamaha Raider custom paint job, D&D air intake, Ivan's flash unit, Vance & Hines 2-in-1. Still waiting on the bracket from some jerk off named Joey O'Rourke. But yeah, so anyway, enough about the bike here. Let's get to the install. Yeah. First, you're gonna need a screwdriver. In case you didn't know that. And because I've got the ultra rare bullet cowl, maybe not as rare as you like, pop that little puppy off first, because you know I only have it taped on there. Apparently it's harder than I thought. Why are you stuck? He wasn't. I was just not putting enough oomph into it. Okay, where does this go? This goes right here. Wow. Don't move. And over here to the headlight housing, there's a couple of screws going to pop off. There's one right here on the right side. And one right there on the left side. And if identifying and twisting a screwdriver, I swear if I had a brain, it might be dangerous. Give me a second, let me find this dang thing. Here's a screwdriver that doesn't lose the tip. Where were we? All right, we're going to pop these little puppies out right here. Come on, baby, work with me. There we go. Oh, yeah. It's funny how some of the simplest tasks turn out to be, oh, I don't know, just a wee harder than we anticipated. Has that ever happened to y'all when you're like, oh,
I got task XYZ down.
Like a whole whopping like 30 seconds. And now we've got the screws out. We're just going to pop this off here. Take a look at what we got. Okay, so this original, well, this isn't the original, but this headlight has a cord on it, which is really cool. So let me just rearrange this. Let's say that cricket in here is going to drive me to drink. So disconnect the plug.
Undo the clip here.
In theory. So we got the previous bulb out. Yes, this is aftermarket too. It is bright as crap. It does, however, encourage the stator, the infamous stator growl. So this is what we're installing. Oh, well, guess what? You all are here for the unboxing video too. How fortuitous. still somehow managed to get in my face. What the cuss word? All right. Here it is, installed. I really dig that effect. It doesn't, that's really wild looking, man, because my bike's orange and crap. Dude, say word, son. Not trying to die of carbon monoxide poisoning in my garage. Well, maybe not yet. There you have it. Aftermarket Angel Eye LED light bulb for the Yamaha Raider. Thanks for playing.